This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Robert David. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home situated on a corner lot in the Highland Lakes Community has the very popular open floor plan enhanced with its volume ceilings, skylights, and garden windows. The recently remodeled eat-in kitchen adjoins the great room with its breakfast bar, a great place for a quick meal or coffee. The great room, the home's center point, allows for direct access to the primary bedroom, which is split and private from the guest bedrooms, and to the 10x17 all-season enclosed porch, which, by the way, has sliding door access to the primary bedroom as well. The 2 guest bedrooms, one with a walk-in closet, have direct access to the guest bath towards the front of the home, making one of these a great hobby room or office. The large 2-car garage has plenty of storage space and wall-hanging space to help arrange your tools. Gas appliances, and heating system, together with a whole home vacuum system and water softening system add to the conveniences. The Highland Lakes 55+ community is conveniently located close to shopping and restaurants, and has so much to offer, including indoor and outdoor pools, a huge clubhouse which includes a craft center, fitness center, library, kitchen, game rooms, and an indoor arena and stage for live performances. The outdoor enthusiast can enjoy basketball, tennis, pickleball, shuffleboard, bocce ball, horseshoes and even a softball field, or just kick back and enjoy miles of walking trails and sitting areas under majestic oaks. The community also includes a woodworking shop, golf driving range, fishing ponds, and on-site RV and boat storage. What more could you want for such a reasonable monthly HOA fee? Call today to schedule your showing. For more information, review the details below or contact Robert David at 352-552-3968.